To remove favorites in Etsy, follow these steps. First, open Etsy and sign into your account if you have not already done so. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture or the U tab at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account page. Next, click on the Favorites tab, which can be found on the left side of the page. This will bring up a list of all the items you have favorited on Etsy. Browse through the list and find the item you want to remove from your favorites. To remove an item from your favorites, click the heart icon next to the item. The heart will turn into an outline, which means the item has been removed from your favorites. You can also remove multiple items at once by clicking the Select All checkbox at the top of the page and then clicking the Remove button. If you want to remove a favorite shop instead of a specific item, click on the Shops tab within your favorites. Find the shop you want to remove and click the heart icon next to the shop name. This will remove the shop from your favorites. After removing the item or shop from your favorites, it will no longer appear in your favorites list. You can always add it back if you change your mind by finding the item or shop and clicking the heart icon to add it back to your favorites. By following these steps, you can easily remove favorites in Etsy and keep your account organized. Remember to regularly review your favorites to ensure they are still relevant to your interests and needs.